Okay, we're getting ready to do Reinhardt knob and Richland Balsam.
We have a machete.
We have a machete.
And a dog.
And a dog. And yeah, after the prior day's bear spray incident.
Yes.
Hopefully we're good. No bear spray at this moment. So we'll see you on the trail. Okay, we're coming up on Reinhardt knob after a little small walk on Blue Ridge Parkway, and there it is. And we're going to go down a little bit further on the parkway to kind of get the best angle through the woods to get up there. But there is no trail, so I'm going to do a little bit of bushwhacking to get up there. We're heading up to Reinhardt, and at least there's a little bit of a path where people have gone in. But here we go.
Whoa, hey.
All right, here's Reinhardt knob, 6,080 feet, and not too hard at all.
Yeah, it was great.
Just fun
It was a
walking,
bushwhack, no
fun
trail.
walking through the bushes.
Yes, it smells like a really great Christmas candle. Weather's perfect if a little warm.
Yeah.
All right.
Woo! Which number is this?
I don't know. We'll count it
We'll
afterwards.
count it afterwards.
All right. See ya back on the trail.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like the downside of Reinhardt is a little bit longer and tougher than the upside of Reinhardt.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like. Probably about halfway there.
Please don't.
Okay, made it down to the mountains to the sea trail after, I don't know,
Yay!
a fun downhill slog through the bush. And now we're gonna go a couple miles on the mountains to sea trail. About halfway through the mountains to sea trail. Here's a nice little stream.
What were you saying?
We're about halfway through the mountains to sea trail.
Cool.
Okay, reached the end of the MST, and now we gotta go back up to the Blue Ridge Parkway, and it looks like there's a little manway that we can follow. So hopefully it stays kind of manway-ish. Hopefully see you on the parkway. Made it out of the woods. That manway turned into not so much of a manway. A little more of a bushwhack. Now we're back on the Blue Ridge Parkway. All right, this is the summit of Richland Balsam, but we can't really be sure which one is the summit. So we're kind of walking all over the place. So this is kind of visually the highest part here. But if we walk back some, I'm clearly walking down, and then there's another little spot here, which is a rock of some sort. So at least walking on this Can't tell if that's the summit. And then I'm gonna walk back down here
Yeah.
to where the summit sign is. And there it is.
So we're at Richland Balsam with Juniper.
Yes.
It's between Jesus. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. Hey, Juniper.
It's between 6,430 and 6,410.
Something
Right?
like that.
Something like that.
This sign says 6410, but technically it's a little higher over there. So we've been all over the place to try to make sure we get the summit.
We're definitely gonna walk over the summit.
Yes.
Now we're gonna head back to the car and be done.
And then
hopefully.
it's Beering Pizza.
Yay!
Okay, we just finished finally 1,200 feet of ascent and descent, 6.7 miles,
It's a lot.
5.5 hours, and yeah,
And we bushwhacked
that was the hardest, easiest
of the.
things we've done. But they're
So
in the
two
back.
more.
Two more done.
Off our list of 40. I think that's 29 and 30.
Something
I
like
think
that.
something like that.
We'll see.
Vivian, come here. I'm right here.
Oh, say hi to Vivian.
Say hi to me and Juniper.
Say hi, Juniper. Hello.
All right.